Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Green Valley Educational Institute. Hope you all are fine. Today our topic is division. My dear children, see who has come to meet us. Jumbo and Jimbo, the clowns. Let us understand the concept of division with them. To begin, we will distribute 4 bottles equally between Jumbo and Jimbo. How many will each one get? 1, 2. 1, 2. Each one of them got 2 bottles. Now, we need to distribute 6 bottles equally between Jumbo and Jimbo. How many will each one get? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Wow! Each one gets 3 bottles. Look, my dear children, who has joined Jumbo and Jimbo? Jojo the clown. Now we need to distribute 9 bottles between Jumbo, Jimbo and Jojo. How many will each get? Well done! 3 bottles to each one. In all these examples, we shared the number of objects equally according to the number of groups needed. This is called dividing into equal groups or division. Thus, we can say when a total number of things or objects are distributed into equal groups, we carry out the operation called division. My dear children, do you know division is also called as repeated subtraction? Yes, it is actually repeated subtraction. How? Let us see with Jojo the clown. Look, my dear children, Jojo has 8 colorful balloons in his hand. Jojo has to divide them into group of 2. He ties 2 balloons from 8. Now he is left with 6 balloons. He ties 2 more balloons from 6. Now he is left with 4 balloons. One more time, he ties 2 more balloons from 4. He is left with 2 balloons in his hand. Lastly, he ties the remaining 2 balloons. Oops! He is left with 0 balloon in his hand. When Jojo tied 8 balloons into equal group of 2, he got 4 groups. Here he tied the same number repeatedly. He showed this with the help of repeated subtraction. The process of repeated subtraction is called division. We write it as 8, then the symbol of division. 2, now put the equal sign. Then the answer 4 comes. We read it as 8 divided by 2 is 4. This is the symbol used to show division. My dear children, this is the example of 8 divided by 2. Let us learn some of the terms of division now. The number that divides the dividend is called divisor. That is the number 2 here. The number to be divided by the divisor is called dividend. That is the number 8 here. The answer we get on dividing the numbers is called the quotient. That is the number 4 here. And the number that remains after dividing is called remainder. That is the number 0 here. Look, my dear children, now as we know, the division is actually the repeated subtraction. Let us understand it with another example of 35 divided by 5. Look at this here. 5 is subtracted repeatedly 7 times from the number 35 to get the remainder as 0. The process of repeated subtraction is called division. We also know division can be done like this. Now, let us again recall the terms of division. Here, the number 35 is the dividend, the number to be divided. Number 5 is the divisor, the number that divides the dividend. Number 7 is the quotient. The answer in the division. And the number 0 is the remainder, the number that remains after dividing. Do you know, my dear children, remainder is always smaller than divisor. This was all from the repeated subtraction. Fi amanillah. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.